No, I think you should have more.
So Samuel, what's going on? I'm videoing. Tell us what's happening.
I'm making a volcano that I'm gonna make it erupt. Hopefully it works. Just let you know. If it doesn't, put a rip off. A rip off for little kids. I really hope it works this time. Last time it didn't. It was like a big bubble.
Here goes nothing.
I'm gonna have to put some more baking soda in so you can look at my brother and sister on the trampoline. Hey everybody, look at us!
Elena.
My bad!
Too much hoochie cooing.
Oh my gosh,
How do you know how much to put, Sam?
because I watched it on a video and she put like a lot in.
All right, we ready?
Who thinks that this looks like a snowy mountain? Leave it in the comments below. It's not going on YouTube. Yes, it is.
What? What happened?
It's not going on YouTube. Yes, it is.
Okay, come on, Sam.
Just a little bit more. Hurry up.
Come on.
Look at my brother and
I
sister.
don't want the video to stop. Come on.
Come on.
That's good.
Sammy, you got enough baking soda. Okay. He's putting way too much stuff. That's not gonna work. You're putting too much stuff.
Ready? Here we go.
You sucks.
I know. Wow, we tried.
Yeah, the measurements must be off.
It's not gonna work. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. I'm gonna do it again.
No, you're
3
wasting.
times. One more time.
Say
Please.
bye.
Bye-bye.